Hello children, Sai Ram. I hope that you all are fine and healthy at your home with your family members. So children, I welcome you back for our previous chapter in maths, that is where to look from. So children, I hope that you did your homework properly, and this homework I given you, but I didn't give you solution. So children, I hope you complete this also. So at once have a look for this. Now children, for our first picture, it is comb. So that is two similar mirror half. So it is yes. Now our next picture is button. So it is also two similar mirror half. So the answer is yes. Next picture is Taj. So this is also yes. Next picture is aeroplane. So your answer is yes. Next picture is your briefcase. So your answer is yes. Next picture is your postcard. So your answer is yes. Now your next picture is your teapot. So your answer is no. Now your next picture is frog. This is also having two similar mirror half. So your answer is yes. Now your next picture is not having two similar mirror half. So your answer is no. Now your next picture is also not having mirror half. This is iron. So your answer is no. Next is your 8, number 8. This is also not having your two similar mirror half. So your answer is no. Now your next picture is pencil. I told you children previous also pencil is having your two similar mirror half. So your answer is yes. Now your next picture is bell. So this is also having two similar mirror half. So your answer is yes. So children, bell, this is also your two similar half. So your answer is yes. Now next is your number 2. This is also your two similar mirror half or not? No children. So your answer is no. Your answer is no. Now your next picture is umbrella. So this is also not having your two similar mirror half. So your answer is no. Now come to next picture children. This is also having your two similar mirror half. So your answer is yes. Now next picture is your mug. This is also not having your two similar mirror half. So the answer is no. Now your next picture is tape recorder. This picture is also not having two similar mirror half. So your answer is no. Now your next picture is goggles. This is also having two similar mirror half. So your answer is yes. Now come to our next picture. This is your wall clock. This is also having not two similar mirror half. So your answer is no. So children, match your answer with this solution what I given you and do complete it. Now come to our next question. Can you guess these letters from their halves? Now can you guess children? What are these letters? Okay. Now you have to guess the letters. Now your first letter is A. You have to complete like this children and you have to guess. Now your next letter is C. Your next letter is H. Your next letter is U. Your next letter is B. Your next letter is K. So children, I hope you understand. You complete your letters and you will write your answer like this. A, C, H, U, B, K. Now children, come to our next question. Guess the words. Now you have to guess the words. What you have to guess? Words. Previous we guess letters. So children, let's have a look. You have to complete same, but you have to complete now word. Like this is your H O W. This is your wax. W A X. Now this is your cooked. C O O K E D. You have to complete these words. Now next, rice. R I C E. Now complete your answer. How wax cooked rice. Okay children, like this you have to complete your word and then you have to frame like this. Okay children, understood? Okay. Now come to our last page of our book. This is your home activity. In this activity, you have to make a mask. Okay, children? Now, let's read. Now, I can teach you how to make the mask of a cat. In this, we will make a mask of a cat. Take a piece of a paper. Now, fold it along. First, you take a piece of a paper and fold it along. Now on one side draw the figure. One side you will draw a figure. Now open the fold and make the eyes. Now you open your that paper. Now you make eyes and half nose like this. Okay children. Now cut it out using a pair of a scissor. Now you have to cut it out and use a pair of scissor. You have to cut it in a shape of that cat. Now color it. Color like this. Cat face and a rubber band on its back like this. You have to tie a rubber band. Make a hole with a pencil and then you tie a rubber band. Your mask is ready. So children, do this activity at your home. This is your homework. Okay children? For a while, I make this. First I took a paper. Okay. Then half I have made this. This I have made half. Then I open my paper. Then I make this. So I cut it out into a shape of a cat. And then I can tie a rubber band. You can take children color page or simple page. If you will take plain paper, that you have to color. And if you are taking colored page, that you don't need to color. Okay children? So your cat mask is ready. So children, do this. Now this is your homework. And this. You can make such a mask, more such mask by taking help from the following pictures like this. What is this? This is girl. This is elephant. and this is deer. So children, you complete these pictures. Okay, this is half picture is given. For your help, you have to complete these pictures like you have did cat face mask. Okay children, did this activity at your home. Okay children, now come to our worksheet. In this, I have given you some questions. In this first question, fill in the blanks. A side of a dash are equal. Children, first listen to me properly because I have given solution also. So first listen your question and answer both carefully. Okay. A side of a dash are equal. What? Square. You have to write down square. Looking at things from different sides, it looks different. When we are looking something from different sides, it is different. Kite is a shape of, how kite looks children? Kite is a shape of diamond. We can draw a picture using, when we are drawing some pictures, what we did, we used dot grid. So using dots, give one word of the following. Which view will you suggest for watching the star? Which view will you suggest for watching the star? So that is top view. When we want to watch a star, that should be children top view. Next, which view you use to look at the computer screen? That is your front view. That is your front view. Now come to our next question. Define the following. That is first, A is your triangle. First is your triangle. Now children, can you define what is triangle? A triangle is a closed figure with the three equal sides. That is triangle. Now come to rectangle. A rectangle is a four-sided shape whose corners are all 90-degree angle. Each side of rectangle is the same length as the one opposite it. Now next, square. Now children, what is square? A square is a shape with four sides that are all the same length and four corners that are all right angles. Now come to next, circle. A circle is a shape with all points the same distance from its center. So this is your circle. Now come to our next question. Question number 4. Answer the following in short. How many sides are there in triangle? So children, can you guess? Yes, there are 3 sides in triangle. How many sides are there in rectangle? There are 4 sides in rectangle. What is the shape of chapati? The shape of chapati is circle. Now come to our 5th question. Which of the following does not have mirror half? Jug, heart, cone. So children, heart and cone we did, that is two similar mirror half. So which do not have, that is your jug. The dotted lines divide each picture into two. Tell children, into two similar half. Now come to next. Dice is a shape of. Dice is a shape of. Can you guess? Yes, cube. Now birthday cap is a shape of. How birthday cap look like? It is a shape of cone. Now blackboard is a shape of. How blackboard looks? It is look like rectangle. It is look like rectangle. So children, this you will complete like this. Okay. Now let's have a look. Now children, let's have a look on our solution. I given you solution also. Question first. Your answers are here. Square, different, diamond, dots. Okay children. Now come to our second question. Top view, front view. Now third question. I have given you definitions. So let's have a look. A triangle is a closed figure. What is triangle? A triangle is a closed figure with three equal sides. A rectangle is a four-sided shape whose corners are all 90-degree angles. Each side of a rectangle is the same length as the one opposite it. A square is a shape with four sides that are all the same length and four corners that all are right angles. Now last, a circle is a shape with all points the same distance from its center. Now fourth question, a triangle is having how many sides? Three sides. Next, a rectangle is having how many sides? Four sides. Now next, what is the shape of your chapati? It is circle. So children, write your answers properly. Fifth is your MCQs that I marked. So you have to complete your all the questions, okay, in your notebook properly. What previous notebook of second class you are having remaining, in that you continue your work. That is chapter first, where to look from. So children, this chapter we completed. Now we will continue on next class with our next chapter. So by this you can complete this. Thank you for all. Now bye children, take care and do complete your work properly. Okay children.